Hey, beauty lovers! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any beauty tips and reviews. Today, we're diving into the sparkling, shimmering world of metallic eyeliners. Metallics are perfect for adding a pop of color, a bit of shine, or a daring statement to any makeup look. I've tested a bunch of these, and today I'll be sharing my top 5 metallic eyeliners that will have your eyes sparkling all day and night. Let's jump right in. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have COVERGIRL Metallic Eyeliner. First up on our list is the COVERGIRL Metallic Eyeliner. COVERGIRL has been a drugstore staple for years, and this metallic eyeliner shows why they're still at the top of their game. It's a versatile choice with a beautiful shimmer, perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. What I love about it, the COVERGIRL Metallic Eyeliner has a smooth, creamy formula that glides on without tugging. The pigmentation is rich, so you don't need multiple layers to get that stunning metallic effect. The color selection is also fantastic, ranging from soft golds to deep blues. It's a great choice if you're looking for something subtle but noticeable. What could be better? While it has decent staying power, it's not fully waterproof. So, if you're someone with oily lids or you need a super long-lasting liner, this may require a touch-up later in the day. Who this is best for? Perfect for those looking for an affordable, highly pigmented metallic liner for day or night. It's ideal if you want to add a touch of glam without going overboard. Moving on to the next at number 2 with NYX Professional Makeup Metallic Liner. Coming in at number 2, we have the NYX Professional Makeup Metallic Liner. NYX is known for its high-quality, budget-friendly makeup, and this metallic eyeliner delivers on both fronts. It's a favorite among makeup artists and beauty lovers alike. What I love about it, the NYX Metallic Liner has a precise applicator that makes it easy to create thin, even lines or bold wings. The color payoff is incredible, and the metallic finish truly shines. It's available in a variety of colors, from classic silver and gold to bold greens and purples. Plus, the formula is both cruelty-free and long-lasting, which is always a bonus. What could be better? The formula is a bit more liquidy, so it takes a few seconds longer to dry than some other liners. This isn't a huge deal, but be careful to keep your eyes closed for a bit to avoid smudging. Who this is best for? Anyone looking for bold colors with a bright metallic finish. If you love experimenting with different liner colors, this one is perfect. The number 3 position is held by Wet n Wild MegaLiner Metallic Eyeliner. At number 3, we have the Wet n Wild MegaLiner Metallic Eyeliner. Wet n Wild has built a reputation for quality products at unbeatable prices, and this metallic liner is no exception. If you want to try a metallic look without spending too much, this could be your go-to. What I love about it, the Wet n Wild MegaLiner has a super fine brush tip that makes it easy to get precise, detailed lines. It's also quick-drying and highly pigmented, with colors that pop. The metallic finish is subtle but eye-catching, making it perfect for both daytime looks and night-out glam. What could be better? While the color payoff is great, it isn't as long-lasting as some of the pricier options. It can start to fade after several hours, so you might need to reapply if you're wearing it all day. Who this is best for? Perfect for budget-conscious makeup lovers who want a metallic eyeliner that delivers on color and shine without a big price tag. Next at number 4, we have Maybelline New York Metallic Liner. Coming in strong at number 4, we have the Maybelline New York Metallic Liner. Maybelline is a trusted brand with products that often rival high-end beauty at a fraction of the cost, and this metallic liner is no different. What I love about it, this liner is all about impact. The Maybelline Metallic Liner has a rich, intense color payoff with a true metallic finish that catches the light beautifully. The applicator is super easy to work with, whether you're creating a thin line or a more dramatic look. The formula is also smudge-proof, so it holds up well for long wear. What could be better? While it's mostly smudge-proof, it's not fully waterproof. If you're wearing it in humid weather or need all-day wear, it might fade a bit over time. Who this is best for? If you're looking for a metallic eyeliner that makes a bold statement, this one's for you. Perfect for a night out or any time you want a strong metallic look. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Revlon Metallic Liner. Finally, rounding out our list is the Revlon Metallic Liner. Revlon is another drugstore brand that consistently delivers on quality, and this metallic liner is no exception. It's all about versatility with this one. What I love about it, Revlon's metallic liner has a beautiful, smooth application. The colors are vivid with a nice metallic sheen that isn't too overpowering. The liner stays put for a solid few hours without needing a touch-up, and it's versatile enough to work for both casual and glam looks. I especially like the softer metallics in this line, which are perfect for everyday wear. What could be better? The applicator is a bit thicker, so it might be tricky to get very fine lines. Also, the color selection is more limited compared to some other brands. Who this is best for? Perfect for anyone looking for a soft metallic finish that's suitable for all occasions. It's a solid choice if you want something between a subtle shimmer and a bold metallic look. And that wraps up my top 5 metallic eyeliners. From the bold and colorful NYX to the soft and shimmery Revlon, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're looking for an everyday metallic or something intense for a special occasion, these liners have got you covered. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty content. Let me know in the comments which metallic eyeliner you're excited to try, or if you have a personal favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.